Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have the Big Mac Baconator. All right, as you can see here, I've got quarter-pound patties on the grill, and we're seasoning up the other side. And then you want to season the other side. This is just a burger seasoning blend from my local grocery store. Or again, you can just go salt and pepper. And because these are quarter-pound patties, these are going to cook up fairly quick. So literally 2-3 minutes aside, and you should be good to go. Okie dokie, through the magic of cooking show editing, these burger patties are done. Now all you got to do is put a single slice of American cheese on them. Give them about a minute to melt up, and then take them in the house. Okay, now the unholy alliance of the Big Mac Baconator is going to come together. All right, as you can see, we got a nicely toasted bun, to which I'm going to add a layer of the Big Mac sauce. The Big Mac sauce, I thought I recorded, but it either deleted it or I don't know, or I forgot to shoot it. But it's a half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of sweet pickle relish, a teaspoon of white wine vinegar, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and just a pinch of sugar. Basically, you mix all this together in a bowl, and you just pop it in the fridge for at least an hour before the burger is ready to be served. All right, so we got our Big Mac sauce on there. Okay, now we're going to add some shredded iceberg lettuce. Any other lettuce is trash. Do not be deceived. Iceberg lettuce is the best lettuce for burgers. And then we're going to add the first of our patties. And now, of course, we're going to add some bacon. I mean, it's a Big Mac Baconator. You got to have bacon. A lot of bacon. Then we're going to add our middle bun, which is just a piece of bread that I used a mold to cut circular. Then we're going to slather some more special sauce on there. Again, if you want to use a bun, that's fine, but I can't justify sacrificing an entire bun just for one thing. All right, then we have the second patty, some more lettuce, and then you're going to want to add some pickles, because again, a burger without pickles is probably going to be garbage. And we're going to add even more bacon on it. Don't worry, we're coming to the end. Now we're kind of working on the top bun. And as you know, on a Baconator, there's only 2 condiments. And that is mayonnaise and ketchup. But unfortunately, I shot this like an idiot. Right now, I'm adding the diced onions to the top bun. And top bun on, and that's it. That is a Big Mac Baconator. Done.